Will, how to hook up the ID page into local business schema? Will, just put it in the add ID field of local business schema. Okay. Um, I don't think that was a trick question. So let me just show you, if we go into the Merkle schema, God damn it, Zoom, get out of the way. Jesus. This tool is a free tool that you can use for it, but like, for example, we're going to go in here and go to local business. This is Merkle. Just search for Merkle schema markup generator and you'll see it pops up in the #1 position. Okay. Anyways, from here, if you go to local business type, let's just say home and construction business, right? Because that's a more specific subtype. Let's say, I don't know, let's say we're talking about a roofing contractor. Well, right, it doesn't matter. That just designates the subtype. That's all that does, right? But then right there's the add ID field. If you don't have the add ID field in whatever schema generator you're using, first of all, it means it's a shitty schema generator if it doesn't have an add ID field. But if it doesn't, so use something else is what I'm saying. But if it doesn't, then just look at the code how right here. All you got to do is just underneath one of these main points is put a comma at the end of that line and then add quote, add ID, close quote, colon, space, then quotes, and where you put the value in between the quotes and then comma at the end of the quote. So you just add that line right there into your code. If you're using a schema generator that doesn't automatically add the add ID field, then again, it's probably a shitty schema generator, #1. #2, just add it manually if needed to. So just go to the Merkle schema generator. Just select, you don't even need to select any of that shit. It really doesn't matter. Just, if you clear that, let's just refresh the page just to show you. We'll just leave it default settings. All you got to do is go to local business schema and then copy that code right there, that one fucking line, and put it into the code just as you see it right here. And then just put your add ID, or excuse me, the ID page URL right there between the quotes. That's all you got to do, right? And save it. Okay.